Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will learn about the changes in Sun and its magnetic field during a solar cycle. Let's get started. Ever wondered if the Sun seems to have good and bad days like us? While it doesn't experience emotions like us, our star does go through a fascinating cycle of activity called the solar cycle. This cycle, lasting about 11 years on an average, is all about the Sun's magnetic field and how it impacts the Sun's surface. Imagine a giant ball of hot, churning gas that's our Sun. This hot gas is electrically charged, creating a powerful magnetic field that constantly twists and turns. What's surprising is that this magnetic field isn't static. Over 11 years, it goes through a complete flip-flop. The Sun's north and south magnetic poles basically trade places. The solar cycle isn't just a magnetic party behind the scenes. We can actually see its effects on the Sun's surface. During the solar cycle's quiet phase, the Sun appears relatively smooth. But as the magnetic field gets more tangled and intense, dark patches called sunspots start appearing. Solar cycles aren't all created equal. Some cycles come with tons of sunspots and energetic activity. Others are quieter with fewer sunspots and calmer conditions. Counting these sunspots is one way to track the solar cycle. The cycle starts at a solar minimum, which is basically the Sun's chill phase with the fewest sunspots. As the cycle progresses, the Sun gets more active, and the number of sunspots climb. Scientists are constantly working on better ways to predict how strong and long each cycle will be. As the magnetic field gets more chaotic, the Sun can unleash powerful bursts of energy called solar flares and coronal mass ejections, CMEs. These are like giant explosions on the Sun's surface, hurling charged particles and magnetized gas out into space. While these solar storms happen far away, they can impact Earth. When the Sun throws out extra radiation during an active solar cycle, strong flares and CMEs can mess with satellites like messing with your phone signal during a storm. These strong flares and CMEs have the ability to mess with radio communications and shorten the lifespan of electronic systems in the satellite. Extreme eruptions can even affect electricity grids on Earth and even damage satellites. It's also not the best time for astronauts to be outside the space station. Luckily, Earth's magnetic field shields us from most of the harm. The Sun is currently in solar cycle 25, started from December 2019, with a peak in solar activity around 2024 or 2025. The solar cycle is a complex and ongoing area of research. Understanding it helps us predict and prepare for potential solar storms that could impact our technology. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned: the Sun undergoes an 11-year solar cycle marked by changes in its magnetic field, leading to fluctuations in sunspots and solar activity. Solar cycles affect Earth by influencing satellite communications and potentially causing damage to electronic systems and electricity grids. Understanding the solar cycle helps scientists predict and prepare for solar storms, highlighting the importance of studying our star's activity. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.